Talong.
This is the rose ng kamote. That's really good. I'm eating rice.
More fish.
So, okay. I want this one. Oh, sorry. Because my end is so slide. Long.
Anyam.
I don't know.
Anyam.
I can't remember.
I can remember. Okra.
Aqua. I don't want to speak Tagalog. I want English. Oh.
Eh di wow. Ah, na, sige na, sorry na. Kumain ko na.
Okay. But I understand my family.
Don't talk if your mouth is full.
This is my dog. She's named Lua. And she's color black. Black lady. She's not the girl. She's a boy. But did you hear the rain? My bounce is low. I don't want bounce. I want more. It's more.
Ano yan? Ano ulit yan?
I don't remember. What?
Talbos ng kamote.
Talbos ng kamote. Oh. Talbos ng kamote.
Huwag mo masyadong sausaw sa ano, maalat. Yung condition mo, oh.
Why?
Kumain ka na,
I want to
kumain.
drink water because it's healthy.
Oh, tama ka naman, healthy. Kumain ka rin na kumain.
Yes. I will eat so much.
Oh, excuse me. Ano po? Ano mo na yan?